Hello and welcome. Writing prompts for Google Veo 3 can feel tricky, but don't worry. Today I'll walk you through the JSON format step by step in an easy way that anyone, regardless of their background, can do. JSON stands for JavaScript Objects Notation. It's a way to organize information in a structured format. It's text-based, so you can write it using any text editor, and it can be understood by both human and machine because it is structured into keys and values. Objects in JSON are represented inside curly brackets, while arrays are inside square brackets. JSON use key value combination. You use quotation, key, then quotation value. Example, name, Jack, age, 27. Arrays, in the other hand, are arranged inside square brackets. Example, Jack wear, open a square bracket, then write all what he's wearing. A white t-shirt, denim, sneakers, and etc. Google Veo 3 has its own parameters for JSON. These should be written exactly as they are, because they are considered constant in order for them to be applied to Google Veo 3. But because Google Veo 3 can read any text, you can define also your own parameters. In the example I said name Jack, there is no parameter called name, but you can use it. In the previous videos, I walked you through the structure of writing Google Veo 3 prompts. I used all the time characters, a full description of the character that will appear, background, what's the surrounding of this character? Is he inside a room? Is he in a garden? The sound, is he saying something? The dialogue. And the music, is there a music in the background? The lighting, is it sunlight? Is it moonlight? Is it spotlight? The camera movement, is it dolly in? Is it dolly out? Is it zoom in or zoom out? I explained those in details in all the previous videos. So those basically are what I use to prompt Google Veo 3. So how will I write those in JSON? And what is the standard JSON keys for Google Veo 3? Let's dive in. I'll kick things off by walking you through the Veo API parameters for Vertex AI. To make things easier, I've also put together a cheat sheet you can download. It's a ready-to-use template for video prompts. Inside, you'll find both text prompt template and JSON prompt template that you can copy, paste, and start using right away. I also added clear explanations for all the key parameters like camera movement, lighting, style, and more. You'll find the download link in the description. First, I'll start by Veo API parameters and usage for Vertex AI. Prompt. This parameter is required for text prompt, for text-to-video generation, but optional for image-to-video generation. Image. The image input for image-to-video. It's not supported by Veo 3. Now we are on August 2025, but that might change in the future. The image aspect ratio should be 16:9 or 9:16. Mimi type is the image type, which can be JPEG or PNG. Last frame is for video infill extension, and it can be byte-space 64 encoded or GSC URI. Aspect ratio is 16:9 for VO3 and could be 9:16 for VO2. Duration in seconds is 8 for VO3, 5 or 8 for VO2. Enhance prompt is asking Gemini to enhance the prompt you already entered. If you disabled this by setting it to false, you will ask Gemini not to enhance your prompt, but only use it as it is. Generate audio. It's only for VO3. Negative prompt. It's a text to discourage unwanted content. Notice in Google documentation that you should avoid negative words. So if you use the parameter negative prompt, don't use no, not, none. Example, you want a negative prompt with no human. You write negative prompt human. Don't write negative prompt no human. Don't put a human. Person generation. Do you want persons to be present in the output video? Do you want them adult only, or do you want adult and children, or do you want to disallow all people and faces? Resolution is 720 by default, and in VO3 you can choose also 1080. Sample count. How many videos to generate for each prompt? You can choose any number between 1 and 4. Seed. A number used to initialize the random generation process. Storage URI is the cloud storage place to save the output. So those are the standard prompts. Next, I'll explain my own created prompts. In my structured JSON style prompt, I use subject, describe the main characters or subjects in details. Background, describe the environment or setting. Style, specify the style. Do you want it cinematic or cartoon? Lightning, describe the lightning conditions. Mood, describe the mood or emotions. Happy mood, joyful mood, and so on. Action, describe the actions or motion. They are moving, they are dancing. Camera, describe the camera angle, movement, or framing. You can also specify the camera lens if you want fisheye lens as an example. Sound or dialogue. You can describe the music, the dialogue. Here's an example using Flow. Start a new project. Prompt. Subject, name Jack, age 27, clothing, white t-shirt, denim jeans, sneakers. Background, a park on a rainy day. Style, cinematic, lightning, soft. Mood, energetic. Action, Jack is dancing. Camera, steady tracking. Sound, ambient rain sounds mixed with upbeat background music to match the dance. Here is another example. Subject, name Lisa, age 25, clothing, red dress, background, a beach, style, cinematic. Lightning, golden hour. Mood, calm and romantic. Action, Lisa is walking slowly. Camera, white shot tracking alongside Lisa. Sound, soft ocean waves with gentle background instrumental music. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss my upcoming AI tutorials. And if you are looking to learn AI or need AI integration services for your business, visit my website www.aiportalen.com to explore my courses and services. See you in the next video.